Hello. Today we're going to practice identifying how many we have on and off the 10 frame. I'm going to do some examples and then I want you to practice some on your own before moving to your practice page. This is the on and off the 10 frame map that I will include with either your packet or in the Seesaw templates. There will be nothing to turn in or submit with this. This is just a map for you to use with your child to practice. So for today, here's our 10 frame on and off mat on my board. I'm going to pretend that I called 14 of you up to the front of the room to fill in a giant 10 frame. I'll draw the 14 students into my 10 frame so you can see how we would fill it. So let me start. So we're gonna start over here. Remember, we always start on the top left and fill across. So here we have Ben, and we have Matthew. I'll put an M for Matthew. We have Grace. We have Cobain. And Callie. And Peyton today. Eli. Calvin. Easton. And Elaney. Now I have 4 more friends, boys and girls. What should we do with the students that are extra? Yes, that's right. These students will stand next to the 10 frame because they are our and some more. So I'm going to draw those 4 students next to our 10 frame. So these are Tucker and Zoe and Jack, and we have Alice here. Oops, we can't see Alice. Let's move Alice down here. Okay, and there we have Alice. Okay, so I'm going to count our say 10 way to see how many we have all together. Will you count with me? Here we go. We start with our 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. We counted 10, 4, or 10 and 4. How many students do we have? Yes, 14. We have 14 students, 10 on and 4 off the mat or off the 10 frame. Should we try another one? Let's try another one of our teen numbers. Let's do the number 11. 11 is a teen number even though it does not have teen in its name. It can be tricky to remember. Okay, so let's erase our friends that we drew on our mat and our 10 frame. Okay. And let's start with the number 11. So we're going to start by filling from the top again. So this time we're going to fill with Spencer and Elijah and Eva. Lots of E's in our classroom this year. And Seth and Alice and Zoe went in the 10 frame, and And Tucker was inside our 10 frame. And Jack. And Eleni. And Easton. And then our extras, or our some more friends, they stood where? Outside of our 10 frame. So we had Calvin was our last friend, and he went next to the 10 frame. So let's count using our say 10 counting. Our 10 frame is full, so we automatically know that that is 10. So we start with 10, 10, 1. 10, 1, or 10 and 1 make 11. And how many do we have on our 10 frame? Right, we have 10 on, and we have how many off? 1 off. 10 and 1 make 11. Okay, now it's your turn. Practice filling in and seeing how many friends are on and off the 10 frame with the numbers 10, 12, and 13. I've included your on and off 10 frame mat as a template for you to practice with in Seesaw or your packet. Okay, remember that this is just a practice mat and nothing has to be submitted on it. Okay, and then when you are finished practicing numbers 10, 12, and 13, complete the independent practice and submit it to me, or take a picture and send it via Remind. Thanks. Have a good day, everybody. I miss you.